नमस्कार, पळोवया प्रुडंट खबरो। प्रुडंटाचो मूड ऑफ द स्टेट दुसरे सर्वेचे फायनल टॅलीत बीजेपी 18 ते 21 सीट, मोगो 3 ते 4, काँग्रेस 8 ते 10, आप 2 ते 3 सीटांचेर, गोवा फॉरवर्डाक 1 ते 2। पक्षांतर केल्यार पांडुरंग मडकयकार सेफ, महादेव 50-50, अनंत शेट, राणे बापुयपूर, ढवळीकार भाव, लवू, अलिना, कार्लोस, मिलिन, माविन सेफ झोनात। फुडले सरकार बीजेपीचेच, प्रुडंटाच्या मूड ऑफ द स्टेटात बीजेपीक 48% मतां, काँग्रेस आपाची लोकप्रियता देंवली, विरोधकांनी कारभार जाग्यार घालचो, शिटकावणी। म्हापशा शालबेट डायलिसिस बंद, ऑपरेशनल प्रॉब्लेम म्हणून हॉस्पिटलाची नोटीस, पेशंट म्हणटा सरकारान लक्ष घालचें, दुसरे कडेन व्यवस्था करची। आणि मोगो 10 सीट तरी काडटाच, मोगोची 12 तालुक्यांनी दिवाळी, सुदिनाक मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून पळोवंक उमेदूच, पूण मोगोक लागतली मेजॉरिटी, अध्यक्ष उलयलो मिडिया कडेन। प्रुडंटाचे मूड ऑफ द स्टेट सर्वेचे फायनल टॅलीत आयचे घडयेक वेंचणूक जाल्यार बीजेपीक 18 ते 21 सीट दिता। फाटले सर्वे परस 2 सीटांची वाड, मोगोक ऑगस्टात 3 ते 4 सीटां दाखयताले, दुसरे सर्वेत 1 सीट देंवला, काँग्रेस 2 सीट देंवले आणि दुसरे सर्वेत पक्षाक 8 ते 10 सीट मेळटले म्हूण दाखयता, आप 1 सीट देंवन 2 ते 3 सीटार पावतले म्हूण सर्वे सांगता। प्रुडंटाची प्रीपोल सर्वे डिसेंबरात येतली।
Final tally in this is August. It was BJP was 17-18, MGP was 3-4, Congress was 12-13, AAP was 4-5, and others were 1-2. Now this is the tally emerging now after doing all the cross tabulations, and BJP is going from 18 to 20. MGP is becoming 2 to 3, which was 3 to 4. It is becoming 2 to 3. Congress, which was 12 to 13 in August, is becoming 8 to 10. Sir, it is becoming 8 to 10. The new player that is coming in Goa forward, but Goa forward may hardly get 1 or 2 seats. They will not get more than that. Up, which was 4 to 5, is coming down to 2 to 3. They will not cross 3. That is the current mood. And others, which were 1 to 2, can become 1 to 3.
On that up, I put them 1 to 2.
Okay, so you're putting them in on this figure.
Yes. No, Goa forward and up may be in the same bracket.
पोजिशनाची सिरियसनेस ना आनी खंयच्याची एकवट ना तशें पळयलें जाल्यार म्हाका नेक्स्ट गव्हर्मेंट बीजेपीचेच जातलें।
लोकांची अपेक्षा आहा की आनी बीजेपीन आनी एक गोष्ट केल्या की जे पायाभूत सुविधा आहा पळय, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट, ते मोठ्या प्रमाणात ते काम चालू आहा, ते चालू उरतलें उरूंक जाय जाल्यार बीजेपीत परत येवंक जाय तांचें म्हणणें आसा, लोकांक तें पडटा, त्यामुळे हे जे चित्र आहा पळय हें अशें अशें उरतलें।
Entire responsibility is on them because you are showing that the anti-incumbency is 70%. No government can come back to power with the incumbency against them of this nature. So this is a total failure of the Congress party. It is not the victory of the BJP. Total failure of the Congress party.
After ulla the pre-poll, we will do a pre-poll survey in December, and we will do it before as per the rule, before the declaration of the election and election notification. आणि त्यांना हेच पॅनल घेऊन आम्ही तुमच्या मुखार परत येतले, एक व्हडली आम्ही एक आव्हान कशी भुजार घेतला आणि ते म्हळ्यार गोंयांतलो पयलो एक्झिट पोल करपाचो, जो आमचो इलेक्शनाच्या दीस करपाचो हावेस आसा।
प्रुडंटाचो मूड ऑफ द स्टेट दुसरे सर्वे प्रमाण पांडुरंग मडकयकार जर बीजेपी मोगो युतीक जॉईन जायना जाल्यार तो अनसेफ, विष्णू वाघ आणि मंत्री महादेव नायक 50-50 कॅटेगरीत, सभापती अनंत शेट, प्रमोद सावंत, प्रतापसिंह राणे, विश्वजीत राणे, मंत्री सुदीन आणि दीपक ढवळीकार, लवू मामलेदार, मंत्री मिलिंद नायक, कार्लोस आल्मेदा, माविन आणि अलिना सेफ कॅटेगरीत।
Madhu Wag in August was unsafe. In October he is 50-50. He is not in the safe zone. It's interesting. Pandurang Madkekar, there is a talk that he may move towards BJP or MGP. He was safe in August. He is unsafe in October. The tip is join BJP, MGP. Anand Seth was safe in August. He is safe in October. Pramod Sawant was safe in August. He is safe in October. Pratap Singh Rane was safe in August, safe in October. I think we'll take both these together. And next is must be Vishwajit Rane, if I am not mistaken. Next is Vishwajit Rane, is safe in August, safe in October.
Yeah.
But here also there is a very interesting thing. When we analyze the data, people are telling Vishwajit Rane to quit Congress. Deepak Tavlikar was safe in August, he is safe in October. He was safe and he is safe again in October. Low Mamledar, he was unsafe in August. He is 50-50 from in October. And again, in this taluka, there is again a threat from AAP. Sudhin Davalikar was safe in August and safe in October, but Milind Naik was safe in August, safe in October. He will be unsafe only if opposition is united. Safe, Carlos Almeida. We have said Movin as safe, assuming that he is a BJP MGP thing, because if you go into the numbers, there's a huge support for BJP MGP in Daboli. She was 50-50. Alina Saldana, she is moving towards safe zone.
फुडले सरकार बीजेपीचेच म्हूण प्रुडंटाचे मूड ऑफ द स्टेट सर्वेत पक्षाक लोकांनी 48% मतां दिल्यात. बीजेपी मोगो युतीक सर्वेत 14% मेळ्ळ्यात. काँग्रेस फाटले सर्वेत 10%चेर आशिल्ली. ऑक्टोबर म्हळ्यार 2%चेर पावली. आप 10% वयल्यान 8%चेर पावल्या. काँग्रेस गजाली जाग्यार घालना जाल्यार परतय बीजेपी मोगोचेच सरकार म्हूण राजकीय एक्सपर्ट म्हणटात.
Only BJP
means it is without alliance.
Without alliance. Only BJP was 33.8% in August. It has gone up to 48.6% in October. BJP MGP was around 14% and BJP MGP is still 14%. That share that has come down is Congress-led alliance. It was 10% in August. It has come down to 2.7%. Probably Congress is continuously saying that
Yeah, it's not
we are
possible.
not making
Not
alliance.
possible, yes.
So that is the reason it has come down.
Yes, public
And-
perception.
And AAP was 10.3 and Goa Forward plus AAP, the option that we had given was around 9%. Now, if you see, AAP share has come down to 8.8% and that Goa Forward and others that share is completely getting transferred towards BJP.
कित्याक बीजेपीचे जे वर्क जे आसा तें पळयल्यार तें दिसता न्ही एमजीपीचे कितें आसता एमजीपी आनी बीजेपी हे हांचे भितर एलायन्सा लागून ते म्हणजे बीजेपीचें आमचें हें कमी जाता काम थोडें आमी करतात आनी ते सगळें ते पळय हो फोडून तो फोडून करता लोकांच्या मनांत कितें जालां की तें आनी नाका आमी बीजेपीचेच बीजेपीचेच वयर सरया कित्याक आपाची तशी ती परिस्थिती पळय दिसता पळय बाकी कडेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बारीक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक 2-4 क्वेश्चन सोड तूं बाकी सगळें जालां आनी जर सिग्नल एमजी आनी काँग्रेसीन जर बारीक हातूंत जर हें जर करी जर जायत तर ते ही सोडी तो आमचो वचप तशें की ते काँग्रेस वयर सरूं शकता.
सध्या 2 मंत्री एमजीक दिल्या पळय ते दिवचे पडचे नासले न्ही त्यामुळे तांकां लोकांक जे दिसता की केवळ बीजेपी येवंक शकता येतली की ना गोष्ट वेगळी येवंक शकता त्यामुळे लोकांनी बीजेपी सामकें जे दिला पळय एक्चुअली इट शूड हॅव बीन इन्क्रीज.
You are saying it should have been more than this.
हय 48 हा पळय
हय.
कारण ऑलरेडी त्यांचे बहुमत आसा
Cost figure
हय, पण
also.
सध्या ज्या पद्दतीन काँग्रेस आनीक झगडीत चल्ल्या पळय इट वॉज एक्सपेक्टेड दॅट काँग्रेस विल कम टुगेदर दे विल गेट युनायटेड ऑल दॅट ते काय घडना पण काल सुद्धा काय घडलें ना.
He's probably telling the BJP is go it alone.
Yes.
But what the reality is that they have to go with MGP as an alliance. Now, when he says like the BJP won 21 seats in 2012, I don't think it won those seats on its own. There was an alliance. Without the alliance, we don't know what would have happened. But
CLP is at least people who got elected. GPCC consists of the unelected and the unelectable. So these are the very clear divisions.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.